Okay, say hi guys, welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantal. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we're gonna be doing this this carnival inspired makeup look. So yeah, if you guys want to see me create this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I know I'm looking crazy right now, but oh, you already know how we just do over here. So today we're gonna do a carnival inspired makeup look. So I'm first gonna go in with my P. Louise base, and this is in the shade Rumor 0.5. And actually I am going to make this in kind of like a wing, kind of like a big wing, you know what I mean? So yeah, okay, first I'm just gonna kind of clean off my lids from that concealer that I use for my wow, I cannot think today, what the hell, from the concealer that I use to sculpt my eyebrows. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, so now I'm going to use the P. Louise base as kind of a liner first. Okay, so now I'm taking a brush like this, a fluffy brush, to kind of like pat that in a little bit. I actually feel like I want the macking with a Q-tip. I want this piece right here to dip a little bit, so I'm gonna clean that up a little bit right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Carnival Love Tahiti palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. And we're gonna take this shade right here, it's called Fruity, and I'm gonna pack that all over the eyelid. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a smaller brush, that same brush that we used to create that eye shape, and I'm gonna get closer to the outline of the shape that we created. Now I'm going back in with the bigger brush and kind of tilt your head back so you could really get like in the crease area. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to move on to my skin for now. So I'm first gonna go in with my, I already prepped my skin as I mentioned before. So now I'm going in with my Too Faced foundation. Tip on toe and bend down low now. Going in with my Real Techniques Instapop cheek brush to blend that out. I'm going into contour with my e.l.f. contour palette. Taking the darkest one as usual. Okay, so I'm feeling like I want to go in with a little bit of Tantor from Huda Beauty. Like right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my Overachiever concealer by Huda. Alright, so now I'm going into set Bobbi Brown and Laura Mercier. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier. I'm going in with my Iconic London Blaze Chaser palette to bronze. Going in with this shade right here. It's Clearly Loved. For blush, I'm gonna go in with this one from Milani. This is called Bellissimo Bronze, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna start on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take Minted from MAC. Do I want to do this? Yeah, I'll do this because yeah. I'm gonna take this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna take this shade right. Ooh, oh, that ass. I'm I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Tahiti Green. And I'm gonna put that on, run that on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here, it's called Coral, and blend that on the lower lash line as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna run some gems like on this piece right here. Okay guys, so I did the gems off camera, and now I'm going to highlight, and to highlight today I'm gonna use this Dior this is the Dior Backstage Face Glow palette. I'm actually gonna spray my face with some Glow Light by MAC. And I'm gonna stick my lashes off camera. I'm gonna show you all which ones though. I got these on Amazon. And this is what it looks like. Super dramatic. So I'm gonna stick these off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm back. Lashes are on. Going in with lips. I'm using this nude lip pencil from Milani. This is the color Statement lip liner. Ten hours later, and we're back. My battery died, so I had to put it to charge. So I put this lipstick on. This is by Estee Lauder, and this is in the shade Impressionable, 551 Matte Impressionable. And then I went over top with this lip gloss, this Rimmel Stay Glossy. Hey! This Rimmel Stay Glossy lip gloss, and this is in the shade Blush in Belgraves. Look, say hello.
Okay, hello. Hello.
Say I'm gonna take a shower.
Take a shower.
Say bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
These gems I got from I got these gems from Amazon, and yeah. So I guess that brings us to the end of this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is in honor of Carnival Tuesday. Today would have been Carnival Tuesday. Yeah, it's cancelled this year because of COVID. So yeah,
Don't throw things.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Open hands.
Bye guys.
Okay.
Say bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Say like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
share,
share,
subscribe
guys,
to join the vibes.
subscribe.
Okay, say peace out. Say peace.
Peace.
Do it.
Do it.
Do this.